Want to spot winning Amazon products before they go viral? I'll give you some tips and my personal strategy in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So where do people find viral products the quickest? Where do they go viral the fastest? And that's TikTok. So if you don't have TikTok, get it on your phone. It is extremely addicting, so you need to look at it from a creator's perspective, right? And you want to see, what are the creators promoting? What is TikTok Shop promoting? And then we can see what's going on. The crazy thing about TikTok Shop right now, so I'm just going on my desktop. It's better on your cell phone. But if you go to tiktok.com/shop, you're going to see some of the most popular items right from the get. Bible verse bracelets. 25,000 sold. Crazy, right? And there's certain things on here that you might have not known that may be super duper good on Amazon. And there's a lot of people who reach out to me and they only sell on TikTok and they want to get on Amazon. So a lot of these products are only on TikTok, right? 105 sold, 3,000 sold. See, I guess you just refresh it. Mother's Day gift. You've got some hair, sling bag, buy one, get one, right? So some of these stuff, they're not that good, right? Like mouth tape and things, there's already a lot of competitors, the purple white teeth on Amazon. But this is a great idea to get some creativity and find those viral products, because this is where you're gonna find them first, is gonna be on the TikTok Shop and just swiping, right? Because what's gonna happen is if you're just swiping, TikTok is going to show you the algorithm of the most liked videos a lot of the times, and those are going to be some viral products, especially if you're just looking at products to buy, search that on TikTok, and it's going to show you, it's going to know what you want, and it's going to try to show you all these viral new products, or new viral products. And again, it's going to show you them. Foam baseballs. Again, things I wouldn't be thinking about, and you can check on Amazon to see. Number 2 is going to be Facebook. So people still use Facebook, and we do have some clients reaching out to us that again are saying, hey, we only run Facebook ads, we only have a website, and we only use Facebook ads. Can you help us expand to Amazon, right? And we can mention that one person that we were looking at just through Facebook, right? We were trying to find different products, and we're like, just scroll through Facebook, and they found something that at the time was not on Amazon at all. It is a portable ice shower. So again, you set it up and you can take a shower, and it's like a little ice shower. Instead of an ice bath, which are very, very expensive, somebody created a little bit portable ice shower right here. And you can see all the benefits. It's called Antarctic. And what they did is they found it on Facebook ads. This person had a website and was running on Facebook ads. The ads were amazing, but they weren't on Amazon. And we knew right away this was going to be a viral product on Amazon. There's a high chance, because they were making, you could just tell by the quality of the video, how many sales they were getting on their website. We could see that this is going to be a great product for Amazon. Make sure you patent it, make sure you launch it on Amazon, and you could potentially dominate. So again, those are going to be the 2 easiest ways to find viral products, is going to be just scrolling Facebook and then just saying new products, typing in new products, and then Facebook's going to show you algorithms of new products, viral products. TikTok's the same way, but TikTok's a lot faster, I think. So I would start on TikTok first, but just don't get, overrun by all of the craziness and the addictiveness of the app. Next, once you get a list, make sure that you do have like a checklist before you just say, I'm just going to launch this product, it's going to be viral. Make sure you're looking right on a checklist from Amazon competitors. Does the product have more than 10 competitors on Amazon? Does it have a 25% or higher profit margin? Is there a barrier to entry, right? It's like for products that have to go on your skin, you're going to have to get all these certifications, or products for babies are going to have certifications as well. Can you get around it? Is it a seasonal product? Is it a long-term product? Does it have a patent? Is it niche? Do you think somebody from China can come in and just make a copy and steal all your sales? Important stuff. Are all the competitors, if there are a lot of competitors on Amazon, or there's 5, are they making money? If they're not making money, right, either their listing's crap or there's not that much demand, right? So you need to kind of give your product a rating from 1 to 10 and then have a whole list of products, and then you can kind of go from there and then launch the viral ones yourself. And that's it for today's video. Have you ever spotted a product before it went viral? Tell us your experience in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, launching your own product, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we'll help you find a product, launch it on Amazon, and then create a step-by-step strategy where we make sure that your product is ranking #1. We'll also be calling Amazon for you, doing customer service, advertising, increasing your sales, making sure no fakes pop up, doing your design, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, learning Amazon or doing the daily analytics. We'll do it all for you so you can save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.